Say hi! Hey guys, good morning. This is RJ and welcome to my channel. So now I'm here in Jägala Waterfalls. I'm with my friends and actually this is my first time to go here and to actually know that there's a fall existing here in Tallinn. So I'm really excited to see how it looks like, and as you can probably hear, I'm almost close to the area. I'm really excited to see what the fall looks like. So give me 2 seconds. Yeah. Oh, there you go. My friend and I are planning to go inside the waterfall. Although it's quite dangerous, we're going to try. Hopefully we won't die. Quite slippery.
Yeah. This is probably not rough anymore.
Jump! Whoa!
Will be snow.
Yes. For the snowman, it's gonna be a unicorn. Yes. Tibet is coming. Yay! Now stand up. We need to see the snow angel. Yay! Wow, it looks like an angel though. Well done. Blow the wind now.
Alice, happy birthday to you. Stab it, stab it.
Pose. And another pose. And another pose. And the next one. And the next one. Keep moving. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, the boys.
What do you call this place? thing right here behind me is actually a frozen lake. So we just went there and yun. So it's frozen, kaya pwede kami punta sa gitna. Pero it's not very advisable to go in the middle kasi there's a possibility that the middle is not totally frozen, kaya as much as possible only dun lang sa gilid. Tapos it's a really good experience kasi first time to walk in the frozen lake. There's also warning signs here to avoid going to the center kasi it's not safe to go because sometimes it's not frozen all the way. So yan. Pero cool. New playmate. Yeah. Just went to the toilet. Medyo mapanghi pero at least meron silang toilet dito.
Are you all well now? You want to meet the truck?
Yeah.
No. The answer to that is no. Oh, it's like what the fuck? What the fuck? It's I would.
Yeah.
First time you see something good.
Yeah. Why? Why not? So I'm back now at my place. It was really fun. I missed my friends and it has been a very long time since we saw each other. Kaya yun, medyo it's a bonding moment and at the same time it's a birthday celebration of one of my friends. It's really exciting and at the same time unexpected kasi I didn't realize that there's actually going to be a falls and a frozen lake. The frozen lake is really amazing also. I hope you guys enjoy our road trip. This is going to be it for me for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and see you on my next videos.